Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find additional settings. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see here, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically find yours and tap on it to apply it. Let me pick Turkish, just tap on it, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again, as I want to come back to the English one. Let's tap on the languages, find the language and tap on it. And actually this is it. As you can see, it is immediately applied. You do not have to even confirm or anything like that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.